Good morning, everyone. Welcome to October 19th Market Minute. I'm John Hopkins, president of Invested Central. Right now, we get the Dow futures down 43, S&P futures are down 3, and NASDAQ futures are down 4. Asian shares were mixed while European shares were lower overnight. Futures were mixed ahead of the bell on Thursday as traders awaited fresh economic reports and corporate earnings. Economic reports were mixed as were earnings reports, but traders remained willing to focus on the positive results. Google's premature earnings announcement spooked the market, but by day's end, the Dow and S&P had barely budged while the NASDAQ was down 1%. Today we'll get existing home sales at 10 a.m. with the market expecting 4.7 million units. We'll get earnings from GE, McDonald's, and Schlumberger, to name a few. On the S&P, we've got the 20-day moving average at 1446, the 50-day at 1432, and the 200-day at 1373. The S&P closed at 1457 with support at 1425 and resistance at 1475. The bulls had visions of taking out important closing resistance of 1465 on the S&P on Friday and got off to a favorable start before Google spoiled the party. Even though Google trades on the NASDAQ, the premature release and miss on earnings affected the entire market. Still, the S&P only fell a few points after getting within 1 point of the 1465 level. With some high-level companies missing the mark, the bulls might need to wait until next week to try to revisit the annual high of 1474. Still, the bulls continue to hold the upper hand here. As long as they hold 1446, they should be okay. The weekend is here, and it will soon be time to unwind and recharge the battery. Just remember, when the closing bell rings at 4 p.m. Eastern today, everything that happened in the market this week will be history. This is John Hopkins. I'll be back Monday morning with another Market Minute.